So today we've got this Dewalt inflator. We're going to try it out, see if it can handle oversized tires on a truck. So we are going to go ahead and start the test. I've got them all set to 32. I'm going to first start with the 12 volt outlet. We're at 32.5 and jack it up to 42. That's what we want it to be. 42. Start. All right, so that took a whole 5 minutes on the 12 volt plug. All right, let's go ahead and start with test number 2, which is going to be a 2 amp hour battery, just like the other one. And we're going to hit that and hit start. And there we go. So just a slight improvement. It's 4 minutes, 43 seconds with the 2 amp hour battery. Okay, now we have the power stack battery. And we're going to see if it does any better. Start this and start this. That's a slight improvement. So if you're shopping for a 2 amp hour battery or a power stack battery, as far as this is concerned, I would not spend the extra money for that power stack. So 5 seconds. So I don't know. That's not worth it. Okay, here we go. This is our last test. So we've got the big boy 5 amp hour battery on there, and boom and boom. So the power stack battery wins out. So that took 4 minutes, 53 seconds. Climb in the truck, and this is 42, 42, 42, 33. Thank you, Chevrolet, for being wrong. So I've already checked all these with a pressure gauge. That's actually the reading I got from that back tire. So at least that tells us it's pretty accurate with the Dewalt readings we get. So it did set it to 42. Okay, so here's my final thoughts on this Dewalt inflator. I kind of wanted to get it to replace my air compressor because it is a hassle turning on the air compressor, dragging the line out there. But this thing takes roughly about 5 minutes to fill each tire if it's low, about 10 pounds. And it's annoying because it can only run for 10 minutes, and then you got to like wait 20 minutes in order to run it another 10 minutes for each tire. So that's kind of annoying. It's pretty accurate from what I can tell. This is another thing I was going to say. This comes pre-packaged in here, which is a little storage area for that. So good luck getting that back in there. That's not fitting in there very well. So this does have this little blower on here, which is really not good for anything. I mean, it's definitely not going to compete with an air compressor. Oversized tires, this is not the way to go. Stick with your normal air compressor.